I'm gonna show you all how to get a clean cut on your vinyl plank flooring when you're installing it. It's not an installation video, it's just a cut video on how to get a clean cut so they would interlock. And then I'm gonna show you why you need to at least close the seal for the clean cut. If you have a straight wall and you need a square cut, that's what you're gonna use to get your squarest cut. Sometimes you might run across a wall that is off a little and you might have to do angle cuts or cut it where it would fit the wall and have your gap for expansion. But to get this cut, just use one of your utility knives. Make sure you have a sharp razor and go along your side. Don't get a plastic square. Get one that's metal. You can find them all over the place, but just get a metal one. A plastic one, you would end up cutting inside the plastic. You won't have that square that you're looking for. So just get you a metal carpenter tool. Make sure you have a sharp blade and run across it. Right there. Do this probably, I'm gonna say 4 times. I'm applying a little pressure and just take it all the way through. And do this 5 times. Now that is scored right here. And you can just snap it off. Just like that. That's your cut right there. Your clean cut. Now what you want to do when you lock them together, you may see some videos where people just lock these pieces in and just leave it alone. But I'm going to show you why you need to at least tap it in to close a seal. Let's get a little closer here. We're going to zoom in, and I want you all to look at this right here. Okay? When you make that seal or you lock your tile pieces in, you can see this gap right there. That's where you have air, moisture. If you waste something, it's gonna seep in that gap. What you want to do is you can use one of these, a rubber hammer. Don't use a hammer with a metal hammer, because you would damage your tile. But get you a rubber hammer, and I want you all to watch this seal as I tap it on the end. Okay? Move this up a little so you all can see what I'm doing. Now, use the hammer and just tap it. Okay, now that seal is closed. You can see the seam, but the seal is closed. Okay. And once you have that seam closed, and this is the seam here. That's the seam. See here? You can't really tell. But once that seam is closed, if anything is wasted on the floor, it'll have a harder time because you have the locking system at the top and the locking system at the bottom, and it just adds a little more waterproofing to the floor if something is spilled. So if you put your towel on and don't make that seal, you're gonna have that little gap. Just get a hammer and just tap it on the end, and that will close that seal. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and come back and check out some more videos that I'm gonna be posting. Thank you.